Drop it.
Welcome back to another video. So in this video, I'm going to show to you the use of reference variables. Let's now go to our browser. Now, let's define what is a reference variable. A reference variable is an alias that is another name for an already existing variable. Once a reference is initialized with a variable, either the variable name or the reference name may be used to access the value of the variable. In our program, what we're going to do is that we're going to display the value of A and its reference value. Same goes with this section here where we're going to use here the value of B. Now, this line of code declares two variables, in which case A is an integer and B is a float. This section here is known as a reference declaration. A reference declaration is where we somehow use the existing variable name and then somehow points it to another variable here. So it's another declaration for x and y. But if you notice here, we have used an ampersand. An ampersand is used as a reference. So the main thing here is that every time that we look at A as a variable, it also contains the same value. X here contains the same value as A. So let's look at the example here. A is equals to 25. So what we're doing is that we are assigning the value of 25 to A. So this line here is going to display out 25. Now, this line here will also display the value of 25. But if you notice, we did not declare x as 25. Since we have used here an ampersand symbol, x is somehow looking to A. So whatever the value of A is, x also contains the same value. Okay? Same goes with this line here. So we have initialized or set the value of B to 99.23. So since we have declared y as a reference variable, y will also contain the value of B, which is 99.23. So let's look at our code. Let's run our code here. Run. So as you can see, we have the same output. Even though this line here is displaying the value of the value of x rather, what x is doing is being referred to A, where A already contains the value of 25. Same goes with this one, we're printing the value of y, but y is also referenced to B, where B contains the value of 99.23. So that is the use of reference variables in C++. So that's it for this tutorial. Thank you for watching. Bye.